The Kreg Jig K5 makes it easier than ever to build it yourself and build it better. The K5 is the most advanced Kreg jig yet, and it comes loaded with innovative features, from a ratcheting workpiece clamp to extension wings with built-in storage, to quick-release drill guide adjustment, swiveling dust collection, and so much more that make it simple to set up and use. With the Kreg Jig K5, you'll be building projects faster, stronger, and better in no time using the proven Kreg joinery system of drill, drive, done. Building with the Kreg Jig K5 starts with setup, a process that's fast and easy. Simply pull the quick-release pin, slide the 3-hole drill guide up or down to match the board thickness, and release the pin. The drill guide is now locked in place to position pocket holes for maximum joint strength. After that, select the screw you need using the handy screw selection chart, and then adjust the drill bit for exact drilling depth using the included stop collar setting block. The Kreg Jig K5 is now ready to create strong, tight-fitting Kreg joints. Clamping a workpiece into the Kreg Jig K5 is easy thanks to a ratcheting clamp that's controlled by a large, paddled handle mounted on the front side of the jig. Whether it's holding thin half-inch stock or securing a 1.5-inch thick board, the clamp quickly adjusts without guesswork, tools, or lock nuts. Just place the workpiece in the jig, slide the clamp forward, and lift the handle. 2 positive clicks later, push the handle back down, and the spring-loaded clamp is set to securely hold every workpiece of that thickness. When the time comes to switch to a different thickness, the clamp can be quickly adjusted using the same simple steps. The Kreg Jig K5 also makes it easy to position your pocket holes exactly where you want them with an adjustable workpiece stop. Just position it on either side of the base and dial in your settings for repeatable accuracy time after time. This versatile building tool has large, removable extension wings to support long or wide workpieces. Both wings also have storage compartments built in that make great places to keep your jig accessories, bits, screws, and plugs. Plus, the K5 comes with a handy screw selector chart that you can mount inside one of the lids, so you'll always have the information you need to select the right screw for your project. The Kreg Jig K5 comes with a standard 3-hole drill guide that makes fast, easy Kreg joinery possible on a wide variety of projects, and with materials from 1/2-inch to 1.5-inch thick. For even greater versatility, it accepts the Kreg Jig Micro Pocket Guide and the Kreg Jig HD as well. The K5 also comes with a swiveling dust collection port that accepts a vacuum hose to keep the work area clean, and includes a sample pack of screws and plugs to get you started. A detailed user guide makes it easy to get going, and free project plans and videos are available online to keep your skills growing. With all of these great features, the Kreg Jig K5 offers everything you'd want to build it yourself and build it better, the easy Kreg way. Drill, drive, done.
Before the switch driver, everybody was telling me this is something I can't do. I can't use power tools. But now I have a switch driver and it was so user-friendly and almost intuitive to what I needed as somebody who's never really picked up a power drill before.
So I'm here in my yard and I said, you know, what better way to test a switch driver than a project that would require me to drill and drive several screws. So I set up 2 sections of fence. And what I did was I did the left side with the old drill and the right side with the switch driver. I set a clock to 6 minutes. I had the same screws, the same drivers, and the same drills. On the old drill side, I had to put the drill bit in, drill all 3 pilot holes, take the time to change out and put the driver in, and then drive all 3 screws into the piece of wood. On the switch driver side, I had the same drill bit and the same driver, but I didn't have to switch out anything because the switch driver had both of them already in it. As a result, I ended up getting twice as many boards put up on the switch driver side than I did on the old drill side. These slats that go on this chair are going to take a drill and a drive on each end. And the beauty about this switch driver is that it has an electronic torque control, and when I set it, I never have to worry about overdriving the drill and splitting the wood. So when I drill, and I switch, and I drive, I don't overdrive the drill and split the wood on the end. The beauty of it is also that every one of these slats has to be drilled and has to be driven. So I have to switch the drill, which is one of the beauties and the time-saving benefits of using the switch driver.
The switch driver, it's so light, even with the battery. So I can just drill my pilot hole and then switch it and then drive in the screw. Before, I couldn't do it, but I can do it now. It's just that easy. So here we are. My new towels have a home.
Finally, an 18-volt solution for corded power demands. Introducing the 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless 3 1/4-inch planer model LXP K01 delivers performance, accuracy, versatility, and convenience. The spring-loaded stand elevates the base to protect the blades and the workpiece. The 2-inch blade cutter head, along with its 14,000 RPM motor, is engineered for fast stock removal, and it weighs only 7.4 pounds. Its machined aluminum base increases planing accuracy. It has an electric brake for maximum productivity. Get precise depth adjustments, get quick and convenient blade installation, and it's ergonomically balanced with rubberized grips for added comfort. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. Cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal without the cord. Introducing the versatile new 18-volt lithium-ion cordless multi-tool. It's available as a kit or as a bare tool. The versatile new multi-tool delivers power, convenience, precision, and comfort for a variety of applications in a more compact size. The Makita-built motor delivers 6,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute with a 3.2-degree oscillation angle engineered for faster cutting. You'll get corded speed and power without the cord. The Makita multi-tool has a small diameter barrel grip and weighs only 4.5 pounds. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
This is the Bosch GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder. It locks onto fast, precise measurements and is ideal for use with a miter saw. Measure angles for roof joints, stairways, and sloped windows, or create perfect trim work in crown molding. The features let you focus on the job. The user interface is intuitive and the illuminated flip display is easy to read. The simple and compound miter function is great for making fast saw angle adjustments. The hold function lets you easily reuse and transfer saved measurements. And the mechanical lock makes transferring angles simple and quick. There's a generous measuring range of 0 to 220 degrees with measuring accuracy of 0.01 degrees. And to top it off, this Bosch angle finder is tough. Its housing meets IP54 protection standards. It comes with a carrying case and a leg extension for measuring hard-to-reach angles. Accurate angles are a thing of beauty. Get them with the Bosch GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder by checking out this page, and be sure to check out the full line of Bosch measuring tools.
The Rockwell Shop Series 10-inch 14-amp compound miter saw with stand is a unique, easy system. The stand attaches directly to the saw with no tools required, making for quick, easy setup. It's a perfect saw for the job site or around the house. It's lightweight, easy to transport, and it gets your work up off the ground. Let me show you how easy it is to attach to the legs. Take the saw, first leg, loosen the nut here, slide it into the slot, tighten securely. You do that 3 more times, and you've got a saw with a stand. Now once the saw is attached securely to the stand, you're ready to make your cuts. But let's say you need to make longer cuts like crown molding or trim or wood flooring. You can attach an in-feed, out-feed support with a standard 2x4, the rollers, and the brackets that are included. Now, I've already attached the other side, so you bring the 2x4 up, lock the bracket into the 2 holes, and tighten securely. Once that's tight, take the rollers and attach to each end of the 2x4. Now with the compound miter saw, you can make miter cuts from 0 to 45 degrees left or right, and bevel cuts up to 45 degrees as well, which is great for crown molding, trim pieces, door molding, frames, all of that. The roller supports have retractable link stops for repeated cuts of the same length. Now I'm putting down some flooring trim and I have a piece going into a corner, so I need to make a 45-degree bevel. I adjust the bevel to 45 degrees, tighten it securely. I already have my mark on the wood where I need it to be, and I'm ready to make my cut. Now I have a lot of these fence boards and I need to remove 15 inches from each one. Now I could measure each one and then cut it. That would take a lot of time. Or I can pop up the retractable link stop on the roller, and I've already measured 15 inches from my blade cut to the link stop, and I can make repeated cuts over and over and over. The Rockwell Shop Series 10-inch 14-amp compound miter saw with stand is one of the most versatile, powerful saws on the market. It gets your work up off the ground and is powerful enough for crown molding, flooring trim, 2x4s, and 4x4 fence posts.